Hello and welcome to this amazing and free course proudly brought to you by CodeFP Academy. In this course, we learn how to use ChatGPT for content creation. What are the objectives of this course? We get to understand how ChatGPT can support different forms of content creation. Identify best practices for prompting ChatGPT. Apply ChatGPT in real-world content creation scenarios. Evaluate and edit AI-generated content effectively. Let's have overview of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text, making it an excellent tool for content creation across various industries. What are the core capabilities of ChatGPT? Text generation, summarization, translation, brainstorming and ideation, rewriting for clarity or tone. What are the practical use cases in content creation? ChatGPT can help in writing blog posts and articles. It can also help in crafting SEO-rich web content. Helps in generating social media content, drafting email campaigns, and also scripting for podcasts and videos. What are some of the strengths and limitations of ChatGPT in content creation? Let's see some of the strengths. It is high in speed and efficiency, versatility across formats and genres, always available, no creative fatigue. What are some of the limitations of ChatGPT? It may produce factually incorrect or outdated content. It may lack human intuitions or specific organizational context. It can also reflect biases present in training data. How do you prompt ChatGPT for better results? Now, what at all is a prompt? A prompt is the instruction or question you give to ChatGPT to generate a response. We can classify the types of prompts into two. We have the simple prompt and a detailed prompt. Prompting ChatGPT for better results. What are some of the best practices? 1. You have to be specific and clear. 2. Mention the audience and tone. Break complex tasks into smaller chunks. Use examples or context if needed. Prompting ChatGPT for a better results. Now let's look at some prompt engineering scenarios and examples for various tasks. Now in blog intro, let's try and write some prompts to ChatGPT. Write 100-word introduction to a blog on remote work productivity. Now let's look at how to give a prompt for social media post. So you can just simply type, create an engaging Instagram caption about eco-friendly fashion. And let's do the last one on email subject line ideas. You can also write, suggest 5 catchy subject lines for a Black Friday tech sales. So looking at the first example, you could see we specified the number of words that we needed and also the topic for the blog was also specified. For the social media post as well, we made it know that it's an Instagram post, and also the caption or the keyword here is engaging. So ChatGPT will base on whatever prompt that you give it in order to give you the content in the right ways. And with the last one, we made it to suggest 5 catchy subjects. So the keyword is a catchy subject and it's for a Black Friday tech sales. So all this, the subject is specified and some keywords are also specified. Now let's look at the workflow for content creation using ChatGPT. 1. We need to define the objective. What do you want it to create? Second, you need to craft a prompt. Write a detailed and clear instructions. You can also generate drafts. Use ChatGPT to produce content, review, and refine. You can also edit for tones, accuracy, and clarity for your work you've already done. Add human touch. Now you can also incorporate your brand voice or expert opinion. Publish or schedule. Can post the final content on relevant platforms. Tips for maximizing ChatGPT potentials. And use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner. Can also try multiple variations of prompt for better results. Use it for outlines or drafts, then apply human judgment. Experiment with tones, formal, casual, witty, or academic. What are some of the ethical considerations? We have transparency. One needs to inform audience when AI generated content is used. Originality. Avoid plagiarism, edit, and customize output. Bias awareness. Review for cultural, gender, or racial bias. Data privacy. Do not input sensitive information into ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for content creators looking to boost their creativity, speed up their writing process, and produce high quality content consistently. While it can't replace our personal voice and expertise, using ChatGPT for blog posts, social media updates, and marketing content can help you work smarter, not harder, making content creation feel more effortless and impactful. Thank you for joining us in this course.